Okay, we are at the house on Winslow. This is on a dead-end street. There's not much of a turnaround in the cul-de-sac there. My truck is in the driveway, sticks out a little bit. Vinyl siding house. There is the clubhouse just at the end over there. And the good thing about vinyl siding is you can wash it, and it does need a washing. There's no yard work to speak of in the front, meaning no grass to cut. Um, I have turned on the lights already and walked through a bit. We have some vinyl windows on the front, a big porch, covered porch. What I see here is a dirty carpet, but there's really nothing in here that says you can't move in already. Some wallpaper. So again, I just walked into the entry. I am going to go to my right to the bedrooms. So immediately to the right, and then the left here is the master with a bath, and the master has a shower to a low step-in shower, which is a good thing, with grab bars already. There's one here and one inside. Vinyl window, single sink, a lot of counter space, probably about 10 feet of counter space here. Toilet just behind, updated, and it looks like it's been winterized already. Back out and into the master bedroom. And this room appears to be about 16 by 16. Walk-in closet, and the view from the master is, there's the golf course over there, and the clubhouse was just down that street that way. So again, no grass behind here. Walk-in closet has plenty of space. Back out the master to a bathroom and another bedroom. There's the shower tub combo. Wallpaper. This one didn't have a light on, but we have laminated floors, some green wallpaper, and it's starting to peel over there in that corner, obviously, but nothing too bad in this room at all. This is the closet, and it's a double door closet. You have plenty of room. I want to go back out into the living room. That is entrance into the kitchen. That is, I don't want to say a covered porch, but these are very common in this area also. Gas fireplace. This is a Berber carpet. That is the entry. So we're going to go into this sunroom first, which is on the south side of the house. A nice slider, a parquet floor. This room is about 8 by 25, and it opens up into the kitchen, which is nice, so I can get a view of the kitchen. One could almost put a bar right here to sit at. But a pretty big kitchen. That is the dining area right in front of that window there. That is the laundry room, which goes right back into the garage. Cabinets are painted, not bad at all. I'm going to step into the back of the house, and keep in mind in that direction is a clubhouse. This is to the right, and this is to the left. So again, you're on a corner spot, plenty of parking. Back in, front door, living room. This is actually the dining area because of the light, but you can use it as ever you want to. That is a breakfast nook right there, or you can continue to extend the dining, or excuse me, the kitchen. I'm going to turn around, or no, I won't. I'll wait till I come back in. Laundry room. This appears to be a bump out. This is a pantry storage into the garage. Garage has 3 steps down. Not bad in here. We have a gas furnace, gas water heater. The attic pull down is up there. Both those services look really new. And we do have AC. So I like what I'm seeing here. This is again the step up into the laundry room. There's a man door to the side of the house, some storage. Back into the laundry room with a type of pantry there. That is the view of the kitchen. Nice view outside, which faces east, so you get the morning sun here. The fridge would go there, and there's more storage behind the door there. So again, I really do like the kitchen. Not bad at all. Back into the living room / dining area. You see the wallpaper, and this goes right back out to the front door. This concludes our tour for Winslow, and I hope you have a great day. Talk to you soon.